Mini now starts at just $6.99.
Right now I just wanna drum and sing a melody, pump it up like it ain't no thing. To get right into it and I might have blow with them, but don't let that influence you. See girl, I know we changed a lot and said a lot of them try can't take your spot. So let's pop that bubble and let loose the trouble. Go and get it on the double and we'll land it in a cuddle. Yeah. Oh damn, I might have just caught feelings so high, let's touch that ceiling. And I got some baggage to deal with. My heart's on the line, don't steal it. And I know what you're thinking, but check it, I got a lot more than a few raps on a record. And if we wanna go back, that's alright now. We're going back to my house.
Take me back with you, take me back.
I didn't really have any friends who are interested in my hobbies, but then world is really small when it comes to interact with people.
To me, traveling means discovering many new places. I don't want only to share what I do or what I see, but also an excitement and discoveries that I experience from my point of view.
Until now, I was trying to look like someone, but everybody has their own point of view, their own beauties, where they can shine and they can look beautiful.
For me, making music is about connecting with my audience and with my friends and the people around me. And what they give back to me really does help. It kind of motivate and inspire me.
I didn't really have any friends who are interested in my hobbies, but then world is really small when it comes to interact with people.